फाटल्या 4 दिसांत गोंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांनी आयिल्ल्या चक्रीवादळ आणि वावटळीन वीज खात्याक खंय 2 कोटींचें लुकसाण.
Almost 2 crores as of now. We have not got 100% value of the entire thing. But 2 कोटीचे लॉस जाले अशें आमकां वेगळे वेगळे फील्ड रिपोर्ट और एक्झिक्युटिव्ह इंजिनियर, असिस्टंट इंजिनियर दिल्ले आसा. Still there are small 2 villages, small areas where maybe 70 or 50 people stay are still not getting, barabar people are working. And one thing, एक बरी गोष्ट जाली की आमचे सगळे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाचे स्टाफ, फॉर मी दे वर ऑल वर्किंग राउंड द क्लॉक. We took not only help from our people, but we took help from the contractors of electrical contractors in getting this work done in a very fast manner.
लायटीची गळती आणि वेवस्था जाग्यार घालूंक खंय खातें प्रायव्हेट एजन्सीक ऑब्र दिवपाचें आसा.
16 to 18% distribution loss. Now you can't say all 16 to 18% is pilferage. You have a lot of things. See, when you have open conductors, you have transmission losses. When you do underground cabling, you have less losses compared to transmission losses due to open conducting. So I was thinking to one company which was there, who distributes their entire networking to cables. They have been saving there a few years back, which was operating in Goa itself. Their distribution losses were coming to hardly 2 and 3% because they were doing through underground cabling. Entire management was done by them. I will not name. All street lights are not metered. All places where government supply has been given is not metered. So all these things, block by block, I will have to do. But we have to improve, make our losses to around 6 to 7% is what we can achieve.
दर्यादेग वाठारात 24 वरां अखंडीत वीज पुरवणेचो प्लान आसा. 1.5 म्हयन्यांत पुराय गोंया खातीरचो प्लान तयार जातलो. मात अशी सेवा घेतल्यांनी मायज पयशे काडपाचे. मदीं लायट गेली वा सेवेत खंड पडल्यार बील तितलेच उणें.
And a 400 megawatt transformer station is coming at Dharbandor, and work order has been given by the center. Work has been almost started, but a lot of teething problems are there. We will follow up. So once that comes, then we will have continuous power supply in the state of Goa, so that we can effectively convert into 24 hours power supply. So this is where. Now short term is we are looking at small substations in various parts of Goa, increasing the capacity of substation, because bringing down to 33 kVA, I assure you that work orders will be placed to all this, and work will start in the next 2 months. For short term, to give some relief to the people, especially the coastal belt. Long term, as I told you already, that 1.5 months from now, I will come with a clear picture and with the assurance that our government will do for the next 3.5 years and 24 hours power. In areas, specific areas, I will tell, yes, 24 hours will be given with guarantee that this is what we are going to give you. If I give 24 hours over a period of time, I will tell people that this is what I require. And if I don't give you, then this is what I will minus.
पयलीं 24/7 उदक, आतां लायट. दोन्ही घोशणा शेळयल्यो. आनी आतां 24/7 लायटीक गिरायकांचे बोल्सांक बोथो वाडोवपाचो प्लान. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.